Hey, what's going on, guys? Coach Rudy here. Today we're going to be walking you through the level 1 exercises. These exercises are to be done in a circuit fashion going from 1 through 6, and you're going to do 5 repetitions of each. You're going to set a timer for 10 minutes, and you want to get as many rounds as possible in those 10 minutes. So the great thing about that style of workout is that you can make it more intense by speeding through the rounds, or less intense by just taking your time and working on your form and technique. The reason that we're having you guys go 5 reps is because we want to focus on quality movement over the quantity of movement. So even though we're trying to get as many rounds as possible, just be very razor focused in those 5 repetitions, making sure you're executing each with good technique and form. If you don't have an idea, refer back to the video. You could pause, you could focus on one, or watch it right before you head into your workout. Thank you and enjoy your level 1 workouts.
Feel free to screenshot these and let's get started. Our first exercise is going to be knee planks, starting with our elbows right below our shoulders and our knees on the ground. We're going to lift our hips as high as we comfortably can without poking our butt towards the ceiling. Imagine a nice straight plank from your knees to your shoulders. Draw your belly button into your spine and squeeze your glutes. So think guts and butts, nice and tight. Try to hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds. Exercise number 2 is going to be our split squat. As you can see, Coach Rudy stepped 1 foot back, found his balance, and slowly brings his back knee down towards the ground, keeping a slightly forward lean, but most of all, his upright position. Make sure you step far back enough to have enough room to bring that knee down. Also try to keep your balance. We're going to perform 5 reps on each side and then go ahead and switch. Exercise number 3 is going to be wall push-ups with rotation. You could increase or decrease the intensity by moving closer or away. If you'd like to increase the intensity, take an extra step back from the wall. What we're going to do here is bring our chest towards the wall in between our hands and push up and rotate one hand the opposite direction. Go ahead and repeat each side 5 times for a total of 10 reps. Next is our box squat. This can be done on any firm surface that you could sit on. What we're going to do is slowly and controlled drop our hips down into the seated position and then stand right back up. Give me 10 reps of this exercise. Our next exercise is going to take us to the ground. Bird dogs. We're going to start hands and knees. You're going to extend your opposite arm and opposite leg. So if your right hand is extended out, we're going to go with our left leg. If your left hand extends out, your right leg will extend. Go ahead and give me 5 repetitions on each side for a total of 10. You could do all 5 reps on one side, or to increase the difficulty, you could alternate each rep. So go with left hand, followed by the right hand, until you complete 10 total reps. Our last exercise is a hip hinge. We're going to start with hands crossed. So cross your hands over your chest and focus on driving your hips backwards and bringing the chest down. You want to keep a nice flat back. Initiate the movement by pushing your butt back towards the back wall, as if you're trying to shut a car door with your booty. If you find it difficult to keep your back straight, try handcuffing by grabbing your hands behind your hips and perform the same movement. Notice Coach Rudy's knees do not move forward. We're initiating the movement through the hips. Give me 10 reps, and that'll be the end of your first circuit.